Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Vlad and you're watching the Lab Hub. You might have noticed that my channel has recently had a rebrand, and if you'd like to know more about that, you can check out my website. I'll put a link in the description down below. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing Mila, which is an air purifier that I backed on Kickstarter back in November 2019. It's finally arrived almost 9 months later. We are now in August 2020, and I'm super excited to do this video. So this is part 1 of the Mila series. In today's video, we'll do the unboxing and setup, and in a few days, I'll do another video which will be more of a review and a comparison to my old air purifier. So if you'd like to know how Mila performs, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post the new videos. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. The outside of the Mila packaging is pretty clean and simple. It has quirky messages, and it also lists some of Mila's key features. The inside of the box serves as a quick startup guide, showing you how to use the touch buttons, and there is a quick explanation of the different modes, as Mila doesn't come with a physical user guide. In the box, you get the Mila unit, you get a power cable which looks like a standard angled figure 8 cable. An international adapter and a sleeve for the filter. It is a little bit disappointing to see that they have not supplied the correct power cable for my region, but instead they have supplied a cheap international adapter that fits pretty loosely. This is pretty low quality, and it's usually something that you get when you purchase things on eBay. So I'm not sure if I'll be using this. I may have to go and purchase a new cable. The Mila unit itself is pretty modern and stylish. It will fit well into most homes. It has wooden legs, a symmetrical design, and a white body with a black top. The unit itself was also available in the black color, but I chose to go with white to match my furniture. Before turning Mila on, you need to make sure to remove the plastic wrapping on the pre-installed filter. To do this, remove the front cover. This is magnetic, so it just pulls off. Pull out the filter and remove the plastic wrapping. Then slide the filter back into place and reinstall the front cover. Then you can plug in the power cable. And don't forget to plug the other end into a power point. On the bottom of the Mila unit, there is also a switch, so be sure to turn that on, otherwise your Mila will not power up. When you first turn Mila on, it will go through a calibration mode. This usually takes about 60 seconds, and you will notice a timer on the screen counting down. Mila might get quite loud during the calibration process, but this is pretty normal. Mila can work independently without a Wi-Fi connection, and you can control basic functions through the touch panel on the top. but ideally you'd want to connect your Mila to Wi-Fi. You get additional settings and information through the Mila app, and you also get the benefit of firmware updates. There will be more on the app functionality in the review video, which is coming soon. Setup of the app was pretty simple. First, you'll need to download the app to your phone through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. I had already pre-downloaded the app once Mila was shipped, and I had already created an account. So all I had to do was open the app. Once you open the app, tap on Get Started to create an account, or if you already have an account, tap on Next. Tap on Next. Tap and hold the middle button on the Mila touch panel for 5 seconds. You will notice the screen on the Mila unit changes to Ready to Connect. Then tap on Next in the app. Tap on Connect your device. Tap on Go to Settings. Tap on the Mila Air Purifier Wi-Fi and go back to the app. Now, if you get prompted to disconnect from the Wi-Fi as there is no internet connection, make sure you tap on Keep Wi-Fi Connection. This is only applicable to some phone models and in my instance, Samsung. Then go back and tap on Already Connected. Tap on Customize. Select the room where your Mila will be located and tap on Next. Then enter your Wi-Fi details on the next screen. Once you've entered your Wi-Fi details, hide the keyboard and tap on the Next button. Allow Mila some time to connect to the internet and pair with the app. Once you're done, press Continue, or if you'd like to add another Mila unit, you can tap on Add Another Mila. You will then be taken to your home setup screen where you can customize your household, including your home address. This is useful for getting the air quality readings in your neighborhood. Once you're done, tap on Next. You will then be taken to the Mila home screen. If this is the first time you're connecting Mila to the app, it will also probably perform a firmware update. Give Mila some time to download the update and install. Mila will automatically restart once the update has completed, and it will continue to clean the air around you. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to know how Mila performs in the review, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell because that video will be coming soon. Bye for now.